What's up, you guys? Yes, I'm in the bathroom. Don't judge. Don't judge. Sorry guys that the vlogs have been very short. It's been a rough roller coaster and not much happening, but things are about to go down, especially on Friday. Friday is the day. From there on, every vlog gonna be great. Gonna be an adventure. Gonna be new. I'm gonna talk about right now. I cannot believe how many options they have in the gas stations here in America. See, look at all of these flavors. That's incredible.
Let's go with your mom.
This is so cool. It's a whole lottery machine.
Press it again. One for each.
We have to book the...
Press it again.
I did.
Now.
The one that I have.
Okay. At this weather. Oh my gosh. Look at how it parts right there.
You can't see without visibility.
I know, right? And this is Arizona, guys. This is Arizona. Why did I just focus into my finger?
I would take their advice about it.
High winds, low visibility, slow down. And en poca palabra, just slow down. So we're entering it, aren't we? Look at that.
Spooky.
What did I say it was called? Dust storm?
We were just at the gas station and there wasn't even a breeze hardly.
I know, right? It's definitely pushing on the car, that's for sure. Oh, look at that!
Much dust. Very much a storm.
Jeez. I guess you don't run your windshield wipers. No one is, and it probably gets cooked.
Are you filming the construction?
Now it's raining. Well, it's not the construction como tal. Poor guy in a motorcycle, man.
Yeah.
Poor guy.
That's a good reason to wear a helmet.
Yep. Literal, bendito, todo el mundo se fue del hotel.
Everyone left me behind.
It sounds like a horror movie, man.
Here, film the car so she can see why we're taking so long.
Everyone,
So,
we're leaving. The storm's coming. And then one's left behind with his mom, and it's like, yeah, I'm waiting for my family to come. Come on, lightning. Oh, I have powers.
I don't think the storm
I got you.
I don't think...
I got some Starbucks mocha coffee grains to take home because they don't sell this at like Walmart or anything. And I also took also bought this mocha latte. Let's take that home. By the way, here I am trying every single day. I am trying to drink a different iced coffee because I love trying iced coffee, but mocha iced coffees. That's it. I don't drink regular iced coffee. It has to have the chocolate in it. Sometimes vanilla, if I'm feeling it. Caramel, I don't like it that much because I feel like it doesn't have the caramel taste. It just tastes like watered down coffee. But so far my favorite is the Dunkin' Donuts mocha iced coffee. That one tastes so good. I've tried freshly made mocha iced coffee from Coffee Bean at the airport when I arrived. I've tried from Kneaders, I think it is. Alright, let's see what I tried today. I bought this. LaCroix. How is it called? Sparkling water. I don't like anything sparkling. I don't like carbonation. That's why I don't drink soda. I only drink water. And a few types of juices. That's it. But apparently everyone's obsessed with this right now. And I'm gonna try it. Oh no. I still don't want to do this. No bueno. I'm just gonna. On to the next. I don't know what these are. Just a cake thing that's supposed to be s'mores. Like s'mores. It looks pretty good. I think it's Pillsbury. I said I think. It's not Pillsbury. Pillsbury is the one with the marshmallow dude. It's not Pillsbury. Keebler. Keebler are the L's, right? Yeah, I believe so. I think it's that. But don't believe anything that I say right now, because I don't know. It smells just like any other cake snacks that you buy. And it tastes like any other cake snacks that you buy. But tastes good. I'm a cake person. Give me cookies, I'll be like, nah, I don't want them. Unless they're soft cookies. Because I'm all about the softness. If you give me these hard cookies like Chips Ahoy, Oreos, I'll be like, nah, not worth calories. But if you give me like a Subway's cookie, a David, and I was gonna say Dave and Buster's. Let's just go with Nestle, because I forgot the name of that other place. David Cookies, something like that. Okay, Nestle too. Then see, I'll eat that. But cake is my shit. It is, oh my gosh, it is my enemy. And it literally is my enemy. I'm not using that out of context. Last time I said that, my mom thought I was saying it wrong. I was not saying it incorrectly. It is my enemy. Because it will do bad things to me. Dill pickle potato chips. First of all, what's y'all things with pickle flavor shit? What's up with that? The only pickle thing that we have are pickles. Come on, guys. Chips, ice cream, smoothie, whatever Sonic has, which I'm gonna try and get. And try for you guys. Because what's a great vlog without torturing yourself, right? I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. I say that this tastes good. If I could even open the bag. You know, if it just isn't open, then it's just not meant to be, guys. I'm actually really trying. Okay, let's do this another way. Okay, here we go. Rip it. Then, nope.
2,000 years later.
I got it. Got it. Why are these kettle thingies so hard to get into? Oh, wow. That's like opening a pickle jar. I'm just gonna grab it through here because there's no... Are they rigid? I think they're rigid. Can't even get it out. This looks like you could do the best prank ever. Because they look like the sour cream and onion ruffles. But they don't taste like them. Okay. Suck it up, Sabrina. I feel like you're biting into a pickle. You like pickles? You should go to Disneyland and buy the big pickle and just eat it. So what's the difference with that? With potato chips. It's just strong. It's actually stronger than biting into an actual pickle.
Baby, you are bringing out a different kind of me. There's no